I'm Governor John Hickenlooper. As a parent, nothing is scarier than watching your child get sick, especially when it's preventable. I know firsthand. When our son was an infant, he spent 2 nights in the hospital after being exposed to pertussis, or whooping cough. This is a very real and very dangerous disease, and we're seeing outbreaks nationwide, even here in Colorado. That's why I urge you to protect your kids in the best way possible, by getting them fully immunized. I tell you it's safe. Do it for your kids, your family, your peace of mind. Learn more at immunizedforgood.com.